Hey folks, Eric Wooldridge here of the Additive Manufacturing Center at Somerset Community College and KCTCS. And we are here to let you know about MDD1, our mock disaster drill number 1 on February 1st, 9 a.m. Eastern Time. And what is it? It's our first time project, our Rapid Response Additive Manufacturing Initiative project, where we will be taking 5 or 6 sites across Kentucky where 3D printers are located and training has been provided and folks have been coordinated, and we are going to test what it's like to do true cloud manufacturing in an emergency situation. The RRAMI system was set up to allow additive manufacturing to be taught and education to be going on as normal, but then in the event of a disaster or a supply chain breakdown for whatever reason, the system could be fired up and immediately used to produce critical parts on demand. Now this of course was based on the COVID-19 response and the data that was collected during that time. And what we want to do is see what this system is capable of. To provide the information, we will actually be sharing all this data that we collect in a live feed format. We provided links to it so the entire world can watch as this process unfolds. Of the sites, we'll actually typically only have one operator, and so we'll be basically working on a skeleton crew. And we're going to see what's possible when all this technology and manpower is put to good use. So you can check out the live feed data to see what equipment we're using, success rates, the process time, the production levels, even the problems that we have along the way. The whole process will last for 72 hours, again February 1st, 9 a.m. Eastern Time. And we want to let folks know that this is what 3D printing was made for. This is the point of having this technology that can be pivoted from one product to the next in a critical time of need. So check it out. You can check out the write-up that we provided with down below, and also any other materials that are there. Use the live link, use the data to your benefit, and let the world see what's possible when a coordinated effort like this unfolds. We're very excited. It's really a great opportunity for Kentucky, but also just for folks who are in this space to see what's possible with cloud manufacturing when utilized correctly. So join us February 1st, 9 a.m., and let's see what happens.